Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching it at. I'm Arjun and I'm here to give basic knowledge on black holes. It's my first video, so I won't be getting that deep. I'll keep it very basic and very simple. Today we'll discuss types of black holes. There are primarily five types. Many of you are familiarized with them. First off, my bad. First off is primordial black holes. They are formed. They were formed just after Big Bang because the universe was so hot and dense back then that a mere fluctuation in mass, matter, energy caused black hole formation. So they were as small as a proton, but as you might know, they went off pretty quickly because of Hawking's radiation. So most of them, not every, most of them evaporated quickly. It can help us to know more about dark matter, right? And yeah, it also will help us in gravitational microlensing. Next up, we got stellar mass black holes. They are the most commonly found black holes in our universe. They are formed by supernova. They are like, we consider them as small black holes, but not as small as primordial black holes. They are way too small. Their mass ranges from 5 to hundreds of solar masses. I hope you're aware of what a solar mass is. Anyway, this is the average range we expect a black hole to fall in if we consider it a stellar mass. Next up, we have intermediate mass black holes. They are like a medium level of black holes. They're not very small, they're not very large, but yeah, they are of considerable size and their range is like 100 to hundreds of thousands of solar masses. They are not so common and not so rare. They're like, we have found hundreds or 200s of them probably. They are very large, as the name suggests. They are present at every galaxy's center. Most commonly you'll find, not every, the almost every. It is mostly found in elliptical and spiral galaxies because they kind of stabilize the galaxy. Their gravity causes the galaxy to hold together. So yeah, it isn't mostly found in irregular galaxies because they are kind of free. They're just a bunch of local clusters of stars. And the two most common galaxies in Milky Way. This is our Milky Way galaxy. This is Andromeda Galaxy. Our Milky Way has its center supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A. This is its short form, so I'll not be using the full form. I'm too lazy to write it. Sagittarius A is like 500 times the radius of our solar system, if I'm correct. I'm not sure. I've done a bit of research on this topic. Next up, I've got ultramassive black holes. Many people consider it in supermassive itself, but I prefer to make another category. Ultramassive black holes. They're like the rulers of the universe. They're the most vastest, the largest, the most gigantic, and as the name suggests, they are not very common in our universe. The most common of them are TON 618 and Phoenix A. You guys know TON 618 was the former largest black hole of our universe. Now it's second, and the largest, you might have heard its name because it was popular in news lately. Phoenix A. I'm not sure with the spelling though. Phoenix A. It is currently the largest black hole in our universe. Until we found in our observable universe, we humans have discovered this is the largest black hole. This was all for today's video, and this was my first video, so I had made it a pretty much basic and all. Maybe I'll cover next topics, the other leftover topics in next video if I'm not lazy enough.